In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and log into the DSOBS app. I'm doing this on iPhone, but the steps will be more or less identical on Android also. So let's open the App Store. Let's search for DSOBS in Grid. You will see this app, DSOBS. Download it. So you can see it's finished installing. Now I open the app. I'm given a login screen. So now you have the option to sign in with your phone number or with your email address. If your phone number is registered with DSOBS, you'll be able to sign in right away. Otherwise, you may be asked to contact DSOBS to approve you. So let me first sign in with a phone number. And I say request OTP. So it tells me I'm not registered with the DSOBS. So I get the option to contact DSOBS. I fill in this detail, press submit, and within a maximum of 48 hours, I will get an approval from the DSOBS. So now let me go back. Let me change the phone number and request OTP again. So in case you have a delay in receiving your OTP or the OTP doesn't arrive, like it hasn't for me, you have the option to sign in with email. So I press sign in with email. Oh, well, you can see the OTP has come. So I press this and my mobile OTP is being populated and I say verify and it would log me in. Please allow notifications. So I'll log back out and show you login via email also. Now I'm going to sign in via email. I'm going to enter my registered email. And again, request OTP. So I should receive an email now with the OTP. There you go. It says my OTP is 850401. I'm logged in. Now it's very important that after logging in, you click the hamburger menu on top and go to edit my basic profile. Here you'll be asked for some basic information, including your photo, first name, last name, contact number, your location, and so on. Please make sure you fill out all the mandatory details and press save. Because if you don't, you may not be able to access some features like Tosco Messenger or the common room. Thank you.